Hey guys, it's MSH and today I am doing a custom clone contest entry into Shotgun22sd's contest. This is my 501st ATRT driver. So here's my contest entry. It was between the Airborne Commander and the driver, so I picked him. So yeah. Can I actually set my phone down this time? Maybe it'll work, maybe not. Come on, if I go like this. Alright. So, yep, this is my ATRT driver. Let me show you his weapon. His weapon, can you see that, people? Whoa, okay. Maybe not. His weapon is a heavy rifle. Pretty simple. It's just the Lego rifle. And you just add this majigger on it. And just go like this. Like that. Very simple. But it does look very cool. And now on to the clone itself. He has a aerialite helmet. Yes, this is blue stripes here. He's got a breathing filter, kind of outlined on the top. His visor is blue. You get some blue there, and black dot at the end there. Nothing really in the center. Yeah. He just has a blank piece. Of course, his body falls. His torso just has some almost like shield printing. His arms, just like that, around. He's got like a cross on his back. And then his legs, there's 4 lines there. Line here, some feet, and nothing on the back. One sec, guys, I gotta get that head dropped. Okay. Headpiece, helmet, and the rifle, which I can't put on because I'm holding the camera. So, yeah, this is done in all Sharpie. So, yeah, this is the Sharpie entry. So, yep. And thanks for watching, guys. MSH Production 00. So long.